Every gamer dreams of building PCs for a living. But is a PC builder shop actually a profitable business or just an expensive hobby with a shutter? Today we're breaking down the real numbers: investment, rent, staff, and how much you can actually earn. Let's get into it. Opening a PC building and assembling shop isn't like opening a regular retail store. Here's what your money actually goes into. First, shop setup. Around 3 to 5 lakh rupees for a 200 to 300 square foot shop, glass display counters, workbenches, ESD safe mats, lighting, and branding. Second, initial inventory. This is your biggest chunk, 8 to 15 lakh rupees. GPUs, CPUs, motherboards, RAM, SSDs, cabinets, and power supplies, multiplied across brands and price ranges because customers expect choice. Third, tools and equipment, 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees for screwdriver kits, anti-static wristbands, cable testers, a billing system, and a couple of display or benchmark PCs. Fourth, licenses and registration, 20 to 50,000 rupees, covering GST registration, shop establishment license, and trade license. All in, your total starting investment is roughly 12 to 20 lakh rupees, depending on your city and shop size. Now the part most beginners underestimate: monthly running costs. Rent in a decent tech market can cost anywhere from 25,000 to 80,000 rupees a month, depending on location and footfall. For staff, one technician or assembler runs 15 to 25,000 rupees a month, and one sales staff runs 12 to 18,000 rupees a month. Many owners double up as both in the beginning to save cost, add electricity and internet at 5 to 8,000 rupees, and miscellaneous costs like packaging, marketing, and maintenance at another 5 to 10,000 rupees. Your total monthly overhead comes to 60,000 to 1.4 lakh rupees, not counting inventory restocking. Here's where it gets interesting. A PC builder shop earns from 4 streams, not just one. First, hardware margins, around 8 to 15%. Margins are thin because pricing is transparent online and customers compare prices instantly. Second, assembly and build service, 500 to 3,000 rupees per PC. This is high margin, almost pure profit since it's just labor and expertise. Third, repairs and upgrades, 300 to 5,000 rupees per job, covering diagnostics, part replacement, OS installation, and cleaning. This brings steady, repeat income. Fourth, annual maintenance contracts and corporate deals, maintaining PCs for offices, cyber cafes, or gaming lounges. This is often the most stable revenue stream. Let's do the math. If you sell 15 full PC builds a month at an average profit of 4,000 rupees per build, that's 60,000 rupees. Add repairs and accessory sales, another 20 to 30,000 rupees. That puts your gross profit at around 85,000 rupees a month. Now subtract your overhead. Gross profit 85,000 rupees, minus running costs 70,000 rupees. That leaves a net profit of roughly 15 to 25,000 rupees a month in the first year for a small single owner operated shop. Scale up with corporate contracts, online sales, or a second branch, and this can grow to 50,000 to over 1 lakh rupees a month within 2 to 3 years. With an investment of 15 lakh rupees and a net profit of 20,000 rupees a month in year 1, break even typically takes 3 to 5 years. Faster if you focus on high margin services like assembly, repairs, and business contracts instead of just reselling hardware. So is it profitable? Yes, but it's a service business disguised as a hardware store. The real money isn't in selling parts, it's in your skill, your service, and your relationship with customers. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like and let me know in the comments. Would you actually start a PC building business?